Buccal fat removal is a surgical procedure that targets the buccal fat, which is usually located at this region of the cheeks. Sometimes an excessively large buccal fat can result in full appearance on the face and a round shape of the face. So in buccal fat removal, fat from this region is removed so as to achieve a slimmer, a more defined and sculpted look, and also at the same time increase the prominence of the facial bony skeleton. It is a relatively simple procedure, usually done under local anesthesia. And the incision or the cut is usually made from inside the mouth to access the buccal fat, remove it, and hence no scar is left on the outer side of the face.